Hi, Thinkernetters. I'm Tom Knoll, president of CIMI Corporation. Most people are probably bored to death with patent lawsuits, and we've certainly had more than our share of them in the industry. But the Google Oracle one that's going on now is revealing itself to be potentially a watershed in software development, and that means potentially something that would impact every single person on the internet, even people who don't ever program in any language or do anything whatsoever in the software development space. The basic issue here is complicated, but in nature, what it is as follows. The Java language, like all programming language, has its own little syntax, meaning there's Java statements that invoke Java functions, and that's the way you write software. And the question has always been in the lawsuit, is the Java programming language as the syntax of Java, something that says print this, is that a copyrighted function, or is how it's done what is copyrighted? Google is contending that the syntax of Java is not copyrighted, so you can reproduce the syntax writing your own implementation and it doesn't violate the copyright. Oracle says the opposite. Well, one of the problems here is that most programming languages have the same general structure and syntax. And so if a programming language allows you to copyright the language and copyright the syntax, does that mean that no other programming language can use that same syntax? Does that mean that no one who writes their own programs can accidentally or deliberately use the syntax that's used by one of the Java internal methods or classes? That would be an absolute disaster for software development. Everybody would have to go look at their code to find out if they were infringing. It could stop development in its tracks for years. So everybody really needs to watch how this decision is going to come down. It could be critical. Thank you. I'm Tom Knoll.